My Queer Design, a mini-manifesto in perpetual beta. I am my first and primary design project. My queer design contains multitudes, and I contradict myself. It is curious and ravenous with lust and gluttony. It devours every source, no inspiration refused. All is fair game. Everything churns and remixes inside us and through us. We refuse only purity, oppression, and erasure. This refusal is the politics of our practice. Our queerying questions best practice, honors the messy, mixed lineages of queer resistance and cultural history, and faces the future. We trace a bent through line from Whitman to Wilde, from Lorde to Muñoz, to the queer nation. We also work to uncover the hidden influence of those unacknowledged by official histories. Our queer design is a bastard hybrid. It resists the binaries of male, female, gay, straight, human, machine, I, other. It emerges from my own life experiences, drawing on the lifeblood of queer ancestors and collaborators, gorging promiscuously on inspiration from all over. We understand that efficiency and standardization, twin pillars of traditional design, are tools for managing a normative world and tools for normalizing a managed world. We reject rigid grids, top-down systems, and the unjust social hierarchies they reinforce. We declare that difference is not a flaw to be leveled, but the essential creative friction of design. We transgress and transcend cultural defaults to build our own structures of belonging. Vulnerability is our design ethic. We commit to care and collaboration. We play and prototype abundant, equitable futures. Design choices involve trade-offs. We're in constant negotiation. We forge beauty from the banal, reckon with the brutal reality of survival and capitalism, and twerk the tension between art and commerce. Imperfection is an invitation. We find our truth in contradiction. When we hit brick walls protecting the status quo, we deploy Trojan horses, designing with beauty and charm to seduce openings for disruption. Our cargo is care, our goal, collective liberation. We infiltrate the expected to install the emergent. My methodology is a work in progress, an experiment grounded in love and gaping with provocative possibilities. This is where power is built. We invite slutty solidarity, a non-monogamous, unbounded commitment to mutual aid, shared joy, and the refusal of scarcity. Belonging before business models, desire and doubt over dogma. We build power by coming together, flesh and flesh, mind and machine, the computed and the corporeal. Take these words as a gift. Keep what is useful and make it your own, then spread it like a virus.